Kennedy showdown. When will they investigate Dampare for all the murders? Dampare killed innocent people for their lands.
Other for Afia Schwar Valentina Asan can who be my camia so no dear just and funny fishery or just or best so pa and when for Kennedy I compare Agyapong in some semia and Afia Schwar abetro bompa e wo mu ahese nya asem kitana ne kasa mu no obo former IGP Dampare edin say as a so mo investigating no esan say ne niam bi a waye no and the Afia Schwar ekeka bebre na e wo mu osan so e kan sem e de fa Kennedy Agyapong and Afia so na Aremeyaw in some semia ye de sikaboten ato wo say ononya for Kennedy Agyapong won tua and the Afia Schwar wo ben sempa enye asem keso ebutuafo ye ntie nsama wodo bi Afia Schwar edit udwa efa ensem yi
candidates are one wako yuka. Is Kennedy credible? Kennedy credibility dinano and New Jersey courts actually got them. A jury of 12 members. I declare Kennedy not credible. Not credible. Presidential candidate with me can some neyi ekadie. NPP nanga se shia homo. Would you have 80 million you are say? You are out of the race. Anas Ama Kennedy showdown. Anas. We've had the word showdown for 2 years now. Anas Ama Kennedy showdown. Showdown. Proper showdown. And of course we New Jersey. Obia na dream to Obiano. I mean, common sense will tell you everybody deserves a second chance. Common sense. Common sense will also tell you that you can't compare apples to pear. Kennedy Agyapong and Bawumia is like comparing me to Michelle Obama. It's so fucking wrong. To Samira Bawumia, that is so wrong. Comparing Kennedy Agyapong and Bawumia is like comparing Afia Schwar and Samira Bawumia. And yakura. Listen, me, I was not raised. My parents didn't have money. My parents were not rich. Christian Tetenyohuno Akwaba. And send me and Sapa and Pesemi Pusa police for one. When are they investigating Dampare for the murders? For the murders. Murder. Obi kunipa ya twinu kojina court. Na be no investigating Dampare. Ahmed Swale ewu no which is laudable. Na almost boy no na eliki Ahmed Swale picture. Me no mienu why the leaky Ahmed Swale picture my Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong na the boy no 2 TV so. Kennedy Agyapong na car say wa wo be boy ni bia momo no. Ghana police me din seremo. Said you are sending a picture no come a politician and we here. You send a picture no a politician is equally guilty as the one or the boy in the picture by two TV so national television. I can see a match which is okay depending on what you claim you have. Now whatever 2 TV so ne any the no one Daniel ambulance no di or theatre wow no. Dear na because we know me and Kennedy Agyapong na my Muhammad Swale picture. And no catch obia the video is there one better no bono BBNC. He was very clear about it. And Tinipa na matching on or the picture no come back Kennedy. Or catch Kennedy son from 2 TV so. If the only thing you have against him is sending his picture to a politician, then we all know the politician who was showcasing the boy's picture on national TV, issuing threats, commanding his followers to do the unthinkable, and it happened. What the fuck is going on in that country? Was he charged because what he did was a felony? threatening somebody's life and the person eventually dying. If Kennedy didn't do it, Kwana, it was a felony. Was he charged with it? Or Dampare made Omo above the law? Was he charged with it? Why was Shamino? Sawuna kofa politician be bad picture. Abato was a wa bechiri bi akuno. Enu wu ya ka na mo ana. En ka woni na mo. Mo ba ka che se wa chi wo bia ma se e ya wawasam. Mo nya omo bo otuo na the only key in the picture. The only key in the picture. Now the only key in the picture there to every Ghanaian is Kennedy Agyapong. That's money and everything. No Kennedy, no vote. No Kennedy, no vote. Obi ananwe yi ne ka 18 million. Ka wanse da ni mo jimi na mo nyo obi ntia mo no. Mo jimi no. Yanti se pia fi manu bi. Mo ka se opposition try there on. Mo ka wanse da. Ah nas. I know one from my mama ready witness impact statement amount. Na ka ma be cheche ma che jury no. Papa na oja won no do betin ya na dako. And I said then me boy no me wa ha, you know you are my bro. You are my bro. On from me my witness statement. Na me cheche mu papa na oja won no. You waiting here to the jury. And you can get me the call 20 minutes by nas me 200,000 they will say we drop it. One time now to say 18 million no. Need you buy me 200,000. Na begging for your bag for ah. And as you can, how can you pocket all this money alone? How? Because Anas, who wait in your Bogana, who wait in your Bogana? Anas, send me $200,000. Now begging for your bag for many of you. I'm begging for $200,000 to go shopping. Anas, you've made free money. Well, no, US for better to tax near there. You 1 million, they make taxes. But 17, you only make a fee. And the battle na mo Ghana mo twa mo kan che Ghana police force leaky no mo Canada e Kennedy na leaky ametware picture e Kennedy Agyapong and the two TV so e ka se wa ba chi bia no ye ne de oba ye no obia ntumi nya wo hwe enti obra no ma chi na ne de I cannot show them their job ba o ntimi nchi akwasi amache no mo nya Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong issue a threat on somebody's life that me person me kind of rough and that me dey come police for her. Kennedy Agyapong issue threat on somebody's life on national TV, asking everybody that can beat him up or do whatever they want to him to do it. Eventually, this young man died. A few weeks after his threat, this man was shot and killed in front of his house. Ghana police, police, but we all know how the law works. So you can't arrest Akwasi Amachibi. No one idea what they never do TV. So now say Mochi Kennedy so what action was taken to stop other people from repeating what he did, because what he did was a first class felony. You are in a first class felony. And what action did you take? Kofi or drying pot your papa kwasiano oboduam o papa ne yo drying oboduam and you may marry the kuno and then I am kwaya mamano o papa and you drying oboduam kwasia jinifo o papa ne you drying oboduam and we are marry the kuno and ya bonkwaya mamana no o papa drying no o papa drying no matobi boduam e wo bi feel and we are boss e Ghana acha for Mary Bekuno, near the young Kwama Pena, Kwasia Yamade, Kwasia, a Yamade, no papa, Kwasia, the Yamade, one another Kwasia, no other papa, so it's just a Kwasia Yamade, no papa, who fudge me for. I need your old papa, when you Kwasia pa. The story you are storing is not storing. Ghana, please. The story you are storing is not storing. What do you mean by Yachidio leaking in a picture? What is the definition of leaking? What is the definition of leaking? Send me obi send ya dear mommy. Na me so be send him obi a me so me leaky. And so what's the definition of leaking? And what has been done to Kennedy Agyapong? Me wa fatete ya unu say adwuma no obo na nsi. Now I want to know, when will they investigate Dampare for all the murders? Dampare killed innocent people for their lands. Dampare at some point was a land guard. Dampare killed innocent people and called them armed robbers. And then we are, me person people say one same view. Shooting na cause wa da braka no. And we are kete bi no. Dampare timi kwachi obi ana. Kete bi no. Dampare timi kwachi obi ana. Dampare timi kwachi obi. Obi what that them money amecho. Yes so ya armed robber. Armed robbers now broad daylight. No. Pacho ya chi obi ana. Adaba konko blasts katuku ine ya chi obi o. And now it is a Paul Adumochire Yakanams. As someone in my kind of 1 year and a half in America, I have been shouting about Dampare's murders for 1 fucking year. Dampare within you investigate him. I feel now Paul Adumochire can like I feel no. I've been saying this for years. VIP been na ko Kumasena. I'm about to share woman. Drive and reverse the other passengers in the I'm not a broad daylight. Dampare was killing innocent people and calling them criminals. That was what Dampare was doing. And the Ghana police said, when will they investigate Dampare? Because at least I have said it. And you can go make up. He's a murderer.
All of one somehow the Afia Schwarzenegger, Afa former IGP, Dampare and Afia Sono, and now Aremeyaw any Kennedy Agyapong some semia I say Abeton Bontin so be a home ebi any equity home and some I make a tap send and for amount. So man for Amoni almost any sky Ghana. If I'm mobile money bank account and as a ZP. So one Netherlands ways who I do payments. Oko apps and as a place where now for that tap send. If it's a promo code and one about the TV, Edia Shoni and Chobonus, Edia Kama Yento She. Mess us about to a comment at us. So she shall got to offer so send you be answered with my video. A bit meaning the abna with some of our crime, maybe send share a bit.
Mr. Mankwa, me offer was saying this cabania dear any project. As to the be a me offer sick a man your problem.
And I'm Namonte tap sending can.
No so nedia.
Tap send ye easy, fast and secured way. Who bet me a send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I will buy anything.
Chine say one call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Or ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make quack friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esanse tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubet me a call tap send app no create wallet also. And it's a rate in the cost now the Sikako go wallet no. And I say pobet me to susun kakra. Enti abre sema opeso send this Sikaba Ghana no answer was send this Sikana Bagana. And I say oba o my Ghana mu. What me you su sika e wo wallet no. Tia.
And you said to say you su momo Ghana hey no.
Sa pepe. Se see a tap send that trainer shim. Kopium wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands and Austria. Tap send na.
Papa no.